Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today's stream, I do want to talk about Bitcoin, of course, and altcoins because you guys have to understand, okay, we are in fact in a bull run. We are in fact officially in the next cycle. Okay, we know that, guys. Okay, we are in fact in a bull cycle. Okay, we are in fact in a bull market. So Bitcoin will skyrocket, and we have already seen that, right? Bitcoin has been reaching new all-time highs. We've seen that a couple of days ago, even last week, right? Every single day last week, we saw Bitcoin reaching new highs almost every single day. And guess what, guys? Bitcoin was not the only one that was skyrocketing. It was also altcoins, and especially meme coins, right? We did in fact see a lot of meme coins skyrocketing. We did see a lot of altcoins skyrocketing. Okay, so understand Bitcoin is not the only one that's going to be pumping up, okay, to the upside. It's also going to be your favorite altcoins. Okay, most likely it will be the altcoins that you guys have in fact been buying, you guys have in fact been accumulating, right? Your favorite altcoins in this bull cycle will do absolutely amazing. And in today's video, I want to talk about that, right? And as usual, okay, I want to show you guys some Bitcoin charts, okay? And there is in fact a fair few other things that I want to talk about for today's stream. So before we talk about all that, guys, give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. About an hour ago, I did upload a video, so if you guys haven't seen that video, I would really appreciate it if you could check it out. But before I show you guys, the Bitcoin charts, okay, and all that, let me go ahead and give you guys an update on what is exactly happening right now with Bitcoin and altcoins. So Bitcoin right now just below $91,000. Okay, earlier today we did actually see, if we go to the 15-minute time frame, we did actually see Bitcoin going as low as about $87,700. Yesterday we saw it as low as $86,000. Okay, $86,700. So you guys clearly see today Bitcoin is now back at $90,000. Okay, pretty much $91,000. So it's looking pretty good today for Bitcoin. Okay, it is pumping back up today above that 90K level. So it's looking absolutely amazing right now for Bitcoin. And as I told you guys many times, okay, 100K Bitcoin is coming very soon. Okay, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 for the first time ever in Bitcoin history. We have seen that with other currencies, but for USD, we're about to see that for the first time ever, guys. So I hope you guys are excited for that. I hope you guys are pumped for that because it will happen very soon, right? Sooner than you guys think. Okay, so get ready for a $100,000 Bitcoin. I would not be surprised if we see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 in the next few days, like less than a week time. I would not be surprised, to be honest with you guys, right? So yeah, Bitcoin today, okay, still looking pretty good. It's pumped back up above $90,000. So that's, a plus right there. Now, Ethereum today, okay, $3,100. Still looking pretty good right now for Ethereum, okay? Still holding very strong above $3,000. Solana, okay, looking pretty good, right? 219, looking pretty good right now for Solana as well. Chainlink right now $14. Okay, Dogecoin looking amazing, 37 cents. Look at XRP today, guys. Okay, XRP has been absolutely skyrocketing up to the upside. Right now it's currently at 97 cents. Did it even reach $1? Almost. Okay, it reached up to 98 cents. So seems like we're about to see XRP pumping up to $1, right? We have seen XRP pumping for the past few days. Just yesterday, okay, we saw XRP absolutely moonshotting, and now today it's continuing to pump up to the upside. Now look at this, guys, right? The market today, right? The crypto market today is looking amazing, much better than yesterday, right? Today it's up over 4%. Global crypto market cap is now back above 3 trillion. Yesterday we saw it at 2.9 trillion. Today it's above 3 trillion, sitting at 3.03 trillion. Okay, so that's amazing to see. Now, yes, past 24 hours, we are in fact seeing a lot of altcoins, including Bitcoin, pumping, right? So yeah, like I said, Bitcoin is back at $91,000, up 3% today, pretty much 4%. Ethereum today is up over 1%. Solana today is up 4%, pretty much 5%. Dogecoin today is up 3%. Look at XRP, okay? 22% for XRP right now. Okay, and look at this, right? For the past week, okay, XRP is up 76%. Insane, guys. XRP has been absolutely skyrocketing, guys, for the past few days. It looks like XRP wants to reach back up to $1 and higher, right? And look at this, guys. XRP right now is at number 7. I believe it was at number 8. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I am pretty sure I saw XRP at number 8. So now it's higher than this stablecoin USDC, right, by market cap. So that's amazing to see, right? XRP has been absolutely exploding, up to the upside. Look at Cardano. XRP is not the only one that is popping. Look at Cardano, also up pretty much 22%, and right now it's currently at 72 cents. Okay, for the people out there that thought Cardano was dying, and I get it, right? Cardano has dropped significantly, ever since, its previous highs, right, from last cycle in 2021, compared to where it is now. It has dropped a lot. I get that. But I really do believe Cardano, okay, the future is still bright for Cardano. And yeah, look at this, right? It is up 22% today, right? So Cardano is still continuing to pump up to the upside, guys. Okay, look at Shiba Inu today, 8%. Okay, Shiba Inu, I talked about this, right? Shiba Inu, there is huge potential for SHIB. Okay, in this bull cycle, we know in general meme coins have in fact been pumping. So get ready, guys, for meme season, because it's about to happen. We're gonna see a lot of these meme coins: Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Dog with Hat, Bonk, right? Pepe, okay, Peanut, right? Peanut the squirrel, right? All these meme coins will skyrocket, guys. Trust me, and that's why a lot of people, okay, are in fact trading into meme coins right now. Okay, I get it, right? A lot of people out there, that want to trade, okay, into these meme coins, as you should, right? You don't really want to invest into meme coins and hold them, right? If you want to be in the crypto space for long term, just stick with the basics, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum, or many more other altcoins like Solana, Chainlink, right? In my opinion, I think those are great altcoins to invest in for the long run. But meme coins, yes, trade it, right? Do you, right, to make that money. Okay, a lot of people, okay, for the past few weeks, for the past month, has made a lot of money with meme coins recently, right? Like I said, for the past few weeks and for the month, right? A lot of people have made a lot of money with meme coins. A lot of people are in fact trading with meme coins right now, okay? And yes, this is the way to do it, right? You want to simply trade into meme coins, okay? Because you can become, an overnight millionaire. But understand, guys, there is risks behind trading meme coins. Okay, you have to really do your own research, guys, and always trade, right, the amount of money that you're comfortable losing. Okay, you don't want to take that risk, guys, right? So always do your own research when you're trading into meme coins, guys. Okay, so that is that. And guys, look at Sui, right? 14% today. Okay, Sui right now is at a new all-time high, I believe, as of right now. Okay, did it hit a $4? Almost. Okay, I almost hit $3.9, almost $4. But you can clearly see Sui, okay, is at a new all-time high right now. So this altcoin, okay, is absolutely pumping, looking absolutely amazing right now for Sui. Okay, it really is. And yeah, today it's continuing to pump, right? It's up 14%. Okay, so it's amazing to see. Okay, look at Pepe today, 10%, right? Pepe today is still continuing to pump. Yesterday we saw Pepe pumping, okay, like crazy, and that's because a lot of, big exchanges did in fact list Pepe, like for example, Coinbase, right, and Robinhood. They officially listed Pepe. Okay, now you can trade Pepe on those crypto exchanges, and that's why, guys, yesterday we saw Pepe absolutely skyrocketing. Okay, and look at this, right? For the past week, Pepe is still up over 100%, and it's still skyrocketing today, 10%. Not too bad, right? Not too shabby. Looking pretty good right now for Pepe. Okay, it really is, guys. So I feel like memes are pumping today. It's looking pretty good. We know for the past few days, okay, meme coins have been skyrocketing. Like, look at Dog with That, right? 60%. Insane, right? Look at Bonk, 91%. Okay, so a lot of memes for the past few days have been skyrocketing. Look at Floki today, 20% today. For the past week, it's up 80%. Okay, so Meme coins have been skyrocketing. Okay, today, meme coins are still looking pretty good, right? Y'all can clearly see that. Brett today is up 11%. Cat in a Dog's World is up 14%. Okay, and yeah, the list goes on, right? Some meme coins today are down. Okay, you guys can clearly see Book of Meme. Oh, it just changed. It's up 8%. But look at Turbo, right? 14%. It's down 14%. Okay, it just changed. It's up 8%. Never mind. But yeah, a fair few memes today are up, guys. Okay. But yeah, look at this, right? Look at this random degen. Okay, it's called degen and it's up over 200%. Insane, guys. Okay, a lot of meme coins for the past week has been pumping. Okay, it has been pumping like crazy. So meme season is beginning, guys. Okay, it is officially starting. Now, speaking about altcoins, look at this chart, guys. Okay, just look at this chart and you guys can just clearly see what altcoins did back in 2016, especially in 2017. Okay, it seems like it's going to happen for this time around for 2024 and of course the new years of 2025. Okay, we know, guys, okay, alt season is right around the corner, so a lot of these altcoins in the crypto market will skyrocket. Okay, so understand the crypto total market cap, okay, is going to pump. Okay, it's going to be reaching a new high. Okay, it's gonna, go to 1 trillion, 2 trillion and beyond, right? Who knows how high it's gonna go, but it will absolutely explode. So understand, guys, okay, altcoins, okay, a lot of these altcoins in the crypto market will skyrocket. And as I told you guys many, many times, okay, a lot of these altcoins, okay, they will reach back up to its previous all-time highs in the last bull cycle. They will go back up to its previous highs, right, in the last cycle. Okay, and potentially majority of them will reach a new all-time high. Okay, that will happen. Okay, now understand, majority of them will do that. Not all the altcoins will even go back up to its previous all-time high. Some altcoins are just dead. Okay, and they're not really moving. Like, for example, I want to say Polkadot, I believe, and Polygon, right? They have not been moving, right? Like, let's go to Polkadot right now. Okay, or you guys can clearly see, we're not seeing huge moves right now for Polkadot. Okay, we're not seeing like any momentum. We saw some momentum right over here. Okay, of course, in March, early this year, right, when everything was pumping, it went all the way as high as $11, but it's dropped back down. Okay, and ever since then, we haven't really seen a momentum back for Polkadot, right? So that's that, right? Look at Polygon. Okay, where is Polygon? Here it is. Look at this. Right, it is down, guys. Okay, Polygon, okay, everyone I remember was talking about Polygon. Even I was talking about Polygon. Thank God, okay, I don't hold much Polygon. Like, I've just been buying a whole bunch of like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink, and like meme coins and whatnot. So Polygon, you guys can clearly see it has not gained anything, like any momentum. We're not seeing any momentum right now for Polygon, right? So there are some altcoins out there that you got to be very, very careful with. Okay, like who knows? Like Polkadot could, have a pump, gain back its momentum. Even Polygon, who knows, right? But as of right now, we're not seeing huge moves, which is insane, right? Because Bitcoin has been pumping, a lot of these altcoins have been pumping. Like, why isn't Polkadot or Polygon moving, right? So you got to be very, very careful, guys, okay? Because some of these altcoins are just dead completely and, they won't move anymore, okay? So understand, majority of these altcoins, yes, they will reach back up to its previous all-time highs and of course potentially even reach a new all-time high, but not all of them will do that. Okay, I just showed you guys an example with Polkadot and Polygon. Okay, so that is that. You're going to be very, very careful. But understand in general, guys, okay, the crypto total market cap will skyrocket. Okay, alt season is right around the corner. Okay, so be ready for that. Okay, now look at this, guys. Okay, I want to show you guys this because this is actually very, very interesting. Okay, so Solana meme coins are pumping, and you guys can clearly see for the first time ever, there are 6 meme coins above $1 billion market cap on Solana, right? So this is very, very bullish, right? We have things like Peanut the Squirrel, right? Peanut, we have Bonk, okay, Popcat, Dog with Hat, Cat in a Dog's World, right? All these meme coins are up at least over $1 billion market cap. Okay, so they are just getting started, guys. Okay, they truly are. So you just have to really do your own research, pick the right meme coins, and then you will, do absolutely amazing. Okay, and remember, guys, if you wanna, get into meme coins and make that quick buck, right? Trade it. Okay, as soon as you make your money, you gotta know when to get in, okay, and get out, right? Especially to take profits. You don't want to be too greedy, because if you see a meme coin pumping, guys, and it's pumping like over 100% in a day, because we have seen that many times with these meme coins, right? We have seen many meme coins pumping like over 100%. I remember, guys, about 2 days ago, okay, Peanut the squirrel, okay, this meme coin was absolutely skyrocketing, guys. Okay, about like 2 days ago, it was up like 400% in a day. 400%, guys. Just think about that. 400%, right? Look at this, right? For the past week, it's up over 2,000%. Past month, it's up over 3,000%. So, Peanut the squirrel, okay, this meme coin, it's different, right? It's not a dog, it's not a cat or anything like that. It's a squirrel, okay? So it's different, okay? And there's a lot of hype about this meme coin. And as I told you guys many times, okay, usually when we see, okay, a meme coin pumping this much, eventually it will have a correction, okay? And it did have a correction, right? Yassus that went as low as $1.6. At one point, this was like over $2, right? So it did obviously have a correction back down to the downside, but overall it is still holding very well. It's just below $2 right now, okay? So you guys have to understand, okay, you just have to really do your own research and know when to get in and get out, right? You don't want to be too greedy with meme coins, okay? So that is that, okay? So now let's talk about Bitcoin real quick, guys, and then I guess we'll talk more about meme coins later on. But you guys can clearly see, okay, retail interest is coming back, right? It is spiking, okay? And in general, right, people on social media or maybe in real life, okay, maybe you hear people talking about Bitcoin now, okay? You hear their conversations, they're talking about Bitcoin reaching new highs and whatnot. And you guys can clearly see retail interest is coming back up. Okay, and as I told you guys many times, this is a huge signal that we are officially in a bull market, that we are in fact in a bull cycle. Because trust me, okay, retail interest, okay, would not be spiking this much if we were in a bear market. No one cares about Bitcoin and crypto, right? When we are in fact crashing, when it's in the reds, when it's quiet, right? No one gives a damn about Bitcoin and crypto. But when Bitcoin's reaching new highs right now, meme coins are pumping, altcoins are pumping in general, right? The crypto market is reaching, okay, to a new all-time high. Altcoins are absolutely exploding, okay? Retail interest will come back, and that's exactly what's happening right now, guys, okay? People are in fact coming back and talking about Bitcoin and crypto. I know people personally, okay, they are messaging me, they're telling me in person, are you looking at the Bitcoin price? Should I buy now? Do you think Bitcoin's going to drop? They're asking me all these type of questions. And these people that are asking me these questions, they are not Bitcoiners. They are not like crypto investors or anything like that. They are just normal, regular people. So that's how I just knew that the bull market is back, guys. Okay? And understand, it's going to get even crazier. Like, this is just the beginning. Okay, I already talked about this in my most previous video that I uploaded about 1 hour ago. So if you guys haven't seen that video, please check it out. I really would appreciate it, right? So yeah, retail interest is coming back. Okay, FOMO is coming back. We always see this, during, a new bull market. When we enter the new bull market, the new bull cycle, we always see FOMO happen. And that is exactly what is happening right now. Trust me, when Bitcoin hits $100,000, everyone is talking about it, right? Bitcoin reaches new highs, and guess what? That's not going to be the top. 200K, 300K is coming. Get ready for that, right? But when Bitcoin reaches $100,000, I truly do believe that's when everyone's going to go crazy, right? Retail interest is going to spike up like crazy. There's going to be a lot of FOMO and money pouring into the crypto market. Don't believe me? Just you guys wait, okay? Because it's about to happen. So that's that, guys. This is just a huge signal showing us that we are officially in a bull cycle. Okay, we are in fact in a bull market. So that is that. Okay, now look at this, guys. Okay, Bitcoin adoption. So you can clearly see this is showing us here, okay, the internet versus Bitcoin. Okay, so you guys clearly see this red line right here. Okay, this red line is showing us the internet adoption. Okay, from the 1900s to where it is right now. And the orange one is, of course, Bitcoin. Okay, the Bitcoin adoption. So you guys can clearly see Bitcoin has the same number of users as the internet had in 1999. This is just the beginning for Bitcoin, right? Understand, guys. Okay, for the people out there that think it is too late to buy Bitcoin, right? They think they missed the boat on buying into Bitcoin, that they think it's too late, right? We're not in the early stages right now of Bitcoin. Just look at this. Just look at it. As I told you guys many times, Bitcoin right now, guys, in 2024, okay, is like the early stages of the internet back in the 1900s. Understand that, guys. Please get that in your head. We know, guys, Bitcoin is a digital asset that's going to be worth millions of dollars one day in the future, long term, of course, right? I'm not talking short term. I am talking long term. So decades from now, we're going to see Bitcoin worth millions of dollars one day. Right now, Bitcoin is below 100K. Just think about that, right? So understand, guys, it is very, very early right now for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin came out in 2009. Over 15 years. If you think that is long, it is not. Like, how long has gold been around? How long has stocks been around, right? The stock market. Okay, just think about that, right? Bitcoin and crypto has only been around for a couple of years. Just think about it, guys. We are still very, very early for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, we really, really are, guys. Like, Bitcoin has only come out over 15 years. I don't know the exact time, but it's like over 15 years. Just think about that. That's not very, very long. You know, it really, really isn't, guys. So understand we are still in the early stages for Bitcoin. Okay, please understand that, guys. Accumulate now. Please, DCA now. I've been telling you guys this many, many times to accumulate. Set yourself up for the future. Right, I know you guys want to become millionaires. I know you guys want to have some type of wealth. And most importantly, I know you guys want to have some type of freedom, financial freedom. And I really do believe you will get all of that just by simply owning Bitcoin. Because your purchasing power, okay, when you own Bitcoin, it's higher. Okay, again, guys, you don't want to have fiat money because we know inflation nowadays, it's crazy. Okay, everything is going more expensive. And if you simply just hold fiat, if you just leave your money in the bank, trust me, it is losing its value. Your purchasing power goes lower. When you own Bitcoin, everything gets cheaper. Even though inflation, right, is rising, okay? When you own Bitcoin, it's actually cheaper. Okay, your purchasing power actually rises when you own Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. I told you guys this many, many times. Okay, so understand, guys, get some Bitcoin. For the people out there that they think, you know, it's too late to buy Bitcoin right now because they see the Bitcoin price at, you know, over $90,000. It is not. Trust me, when Bitcoin's reaching 100K, when Bitcoin's reaching 150K, 180, 200K, you know, 250, 300K and beyond, I am still going to DCA into Bitcoin because I know, okay, I know where Bitcoin is heading in the future, guys. Right? I am doing this for my future self and for my future family. Right? I am setting myself up for the future. And I hope you guys are doing the exact same thing because trust me, I don't want you guys to have that regret. I don't want you guys to be buying Bitcoin when it's over $1 million. Obviously, it's going to be much harder to accumulate, you know, your Bitcoins, your Satoshis, especially if you want to own one full Bitcoin. And that's why, guys, also, you know, I always talk about this topic of why you guys should own one full Bitcoin because one full Bitcoin will be extremely rare in the future. Okay, extremely rare. Nowadays, in 2024, yeah, you know, it's sort of rare seeing someone owning one full Bitcoin, but, you know, in the future, it's going to be more rare, extremely rare, because obviously the Bitcoin price will be much, much higher, which means it's going to be harder for regular people like you and me to, you know, accumulate one full Bitcoin. But you have a chance right now. And let's just say you can't get to, you know, a full Bitcoin, right? It's too much money. I get it, right? No one out there has a lot of money. No one has, you know, $90,000 just to chuck into an asset like Bitcoin. Okay, get 10% of a Bitcoin, 0.1 or 0.01, 1% of a Bitcoin. Okay, which is crazy because Bitcoin right now is at 90K. Okay, you know, literally a couple of weeks ago, that would have been below $1,000. Now it's about $1,500 because the Bitcoin price is rising, right? So get 0.01 Bitcoin, 1%, 10% of a Bitcoin, right? 0.1, 0.5, half of a Bitcoin. It doesn't matter, guys. I don't care if you're investing $10 a week, $50 a week, $100 a week. I don't care. It's better than zero, guys. Get some Bitcoin. Okay, if you can't get to one full Bitcoin, get to 1% of a Bitcoin, right? Try your best. I am pretty sure we all have like $1,000 laying around. We're not doing anything, right? Just putting money, okay, and treat Bitcoin like it's your own savings account, guys. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so looking at this, you guys can clearly see Bitcoin is truly like the internet back in the 1900s, right? We are in fact in the early stages of the internet right now with Bitcoin. Okay, so it's never too late to accumulate Bitcoin, guys. Okay, it really isn't. So get some Bitcoin while you still can, while Bitcoin is still cheap, while still below $100,000. Because once we see Bitcoin reaching 100K and beyond, right, we will probably most likely never ever again see Bitcoin below $100,000. And as of right now, we will never see Bitcoin at 60K. We will probably never see Bitcoin at 50K to 40K ever again. That's over. Okay, understand that, guys. So that is that. But yeah, look at this, guys, right? For the people out there that think, Bitcoin is near its top right now, right? When it's, Bitcoin reaches 100K, 120, 150, a lot of people think that's going to be the top for Bitcoin. No, it is not. Look at this, right? Look at this chart. It's just clearly showing us here, okay, Bitcoin is not even in the full-blown bull market just yet, in this area, in this zone just yet. And this is why I always tell you guys, right? Next year, 2025, will be a fantastic year for Bitcoin and crypto. Understand that, right? We haven't seen anything yet. I get it, right? Bitcoin has been reaching new highs. Okay, it went from $74,000 to 75 to 77, and then it jumped to like $81,000 to 84, right? To 87, 88, and then eventually 90K, and then eventually $93,000, right? So obviously it's been looking pretty good for Bitcoin, but understand this is just the beginning, right? This is literally just the beginning, guys. Okay, we're not in the banana zone. That's what a lot of people call it, right? We're not in that zone just yet. Okay, and Bitcoin right now, it's cooling off, right? It is slightly cooling off right now. Okay, we saw corrections, which is normal. Usually when we see Bitcoin pumping a lot, we're gonna see corrections along the way, and that's exactly what we have in fact been seeing for Bitcoin, right? You can clearly see that. We saw this massive correction, and we saw Bitcoin dropping all the way to about $83,000, and then it bounced back up. Right, and look, it continued to pump. It went all the way high as $93,200. So just think about that, guys. Right, corrections are healthy. Okay, we're not gonna, see Bitcoin just skyrocket straight up. Right, we're gonna have corrections along the way. This is completely normal, and that's exactly what's happening right now for Bitcoin. Right, so understand, guys, this is completely normal. Okay, to see corrections for Bitcoin during a bull run. Right, I'm pretty sure we all know that. So understand, okay, this is just the beginning of this bull market, guys. Okay, please understand that. Now look at this, guys. I want to show you guys this real quick. Okay, Bitcoin reaching, over $100,000, 150, 180, to eventually $200,000, and even over 300K. Right, so this is the Fibonacci retracement level, and you guys clearly see, looking at this, right, Bitcoin is going to reach these targets eventually, over $100,000 to 150 to 200K to even over 300K. And as I told you guys many times, if you guys have in fact been watching my videos, I told you guys many times that personally I do see Bitcoin reaching over 200K to even over 300K. Now, Bitcoin reaching 400K to 500K this bull cycle, I am 50-50 on that. Okay, I'm not 100% certain that will happen. I'm trying to be like realistic with you guys. Okay, so that's why I'm saying, 200K to 300K. I feel like that's more realistic this bull cycle. Next bull cycle, yeah, we're gonna see Bitcoin most likely like at $1 million or close to $1 million. Okay, the next bull cycle is going to be insane, but this bull cycle that we're currently in right now, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching, at least over $200,000 to even over $300,000. And you guys can clearly see that with this Fibonacci retracement level, right? So that is that. And look at this, guys, right? I already talked about this, Bitcoin versus real estate versus houses, that Bitcoin is a much better, investment than houses. Just look at this, right? So you guys can clearly see right here, back in 2016, for a house, it'll be just below $300,000 for one house. And you needed about over 600 Bitcoins to buy that house, right? 664 Bitcoins. Now, back in 2020, okay, you guys can clearly see the price house has slightly jumped. $328,000 for a house. And you just needed 45 Bitcoins. Okay, so in 4 years, from 2016 to 2020, look at how much less Bitcoins you need to buy a house. From almost 700 Bitcoins to just below 50 Bitcoins in 4 years' time. Now, another 4 years, 2024, look at this. It gets even crazier, guys. Okay, over $400,000 for a house. Okay, and you just need about 4.8 Bitcoin, less than 5 Bitcoins to buy a house. So you guys can just clearly see, okay, clearly, right, your purchasing power with Bitcoin, okay, it just gets higher and higher and higher, right? When you have Bitcoin, when you own Bitcoin, everything is just cheaper around you, right? Even though inflation is around, everything is getting more expensive. This is what happens when you hold fiat money. You don't want to hold fiat, guys. You simply want to hold a Bitcoin or any other asset classes. That's why the rich get richer, guys, because they are simply making their money work for them. We all know, guys, if you simply want to build wealth, you got to invest into assets. It could be index funds, S&P 500, the stock market, right? Gold, silver, crypto, Bitcoin, right? Personally, I highly suggest you guys to get some Bitcoin. Okay, so you guys can clearly see here, right? It just gets less and less and less over time, okay, for Bitcoins. And in the future, I wouldn't be surprised if you just needed one Bitcoin to buy your dream house, right? Or, even less than one Bitcoin. It could be like 0.8, right? 80% of a Bitcoin, 0.5. All that is very, very possible because, like I said many times, we know Bitcoin is going to be worth millions of dollars one day, guys. So understand, this is why, guys, okay, Bitcoin is a much, much better investment than real estate. Okay, and guys, back in 2021, okay, earlier 2021, my plan was to buy property, my first ever property, back in 2021, right? And I was in my early 20s at the time, right? I'm in my mid 20s right now. And yeah, at that time, guys, I was ready. I was working and I was saving my money. Okay. And my plan was not to buy Bitcoin or crypto. My plan was to simply buy and put a deposit into my first ever property as an investment, right? And guess what? I didn't do that. The reason why I didn't do that is because I saw the opportunity when Bitcoin dropped, even crypto, right? Even Ethereum, right, dropped. I'll just show you guys. Okay. So weekly time frame. Okay, when we had this drop right over here, when I saw this drop, guys, for Bitcoin, this drop right here, this specific drop, when I saw that, I took that as an opportunity to buy Bitcoin. You know what I said? I said, screw the house, okay? And thank God I did this, right? Thank God I did this. Thank God I had that knowledge, okay, about Bitcoin and crypto. Thank God I didn't buy that house. Right? So when I saw this opportunity, guys, when Bitcoin was dropping, I took it as an opportunity to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so I bought Bitcoin, I bought Ethereum, I even bought Dogecoin and other altcoins, of course, right? And guys, I don't know if you guys know this, but when I first started investing into crypto, I didn't buy Bitcoin, I didn't buy Ethereum or Chainlink or Solana or anything like that. You know what I bought, guys, as my first ever crypto coin? It was Dogecoin. Literally. So Dogecoin in a way means a lot to me. And that's why I still have a bag of Dogecoin that I've been holding since last cycle. Believe it or not. Yes, I took some of my profits with Doge, but I hold majority of it. And I'm still holding, guys. Okay. But yeah, anyways, I bought Dogecoin. That was my first ever crypto coin, right? So in a way, if I didn't buy into Dogecoin, I would not invest it into Ethereum or Bitcoin in a way. So thanks to Doge, right? But yeah, I bought Dogecoin and then I bought Ethereum and then I bought Bitcoin, right? And then from there on, I just started to invest into other altcoins. But then I realized that Bitcoin, I should really just try my best to accumulate as much Bitcoin as I possibly can. And of course, in 2022, when we saw that drop, that's when I was really, really buying. Okay. And if you guys don't believe me, watch my videos. Watch my videos from 2 years ago, back in 2022. And I'll show you guys I was actually buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. I even caught the bottom, right? When Bitcoin was all the way down here. Okay, below, it was like $16,000 to below, just below $16,000. I was buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. I invested like almost $20,000 into Bitcoin at that time, and I'm glad I did. And guess what? I'm still holding. I have never sold any of my Bitcoins, and I'm still gonna continue to DCA into Bitcoin for a lifetime because I know where Bitcoin is heading. Look at it. Look at this, guys. Just look at the Bitcoin chart. Like, this is beautiful, right? We know Bitcoin is gonna be reaching $100,000 and higher. Okay, so get ready for that, guys, okay? Because it's about to happen, okay? And I hope you guys are ready for it, okay? So someone says here, I hope you got some protocols in your portfolio ISO. I actually don't. Sorry to hear. I probably don't have that. Wait. I don't even know what altcoin this is. Are you talking about Near Protocol? I'm not quite sure what altcoin you're talking about, but if it's this, I don't have it, unfortunately. Okay, so someone says here, what about your altcoins? Yeah, I do have a fair few altcoins. Okay, like Ethereum, of course. Okay, the king of altcoins. Of course, I have some Solana. Okay, I used to have BNB, but I sold it for Bitcoin. Glad I did that, honestly. Um, Dogecoin, yes, I still have a bag of Doge, XRP. Okay, I still have some XRP, but in a upcoming video, I really want you guys to stay tuned because you guys will see soon enough, okay, that what I'm going to be doing with my XRP. So stay tuned for that. A video most likely will be coming out tomorrow. So stay tuned for that in the next few hours. But yeah, I still have a bag of XRP. Cardano, I still have a bag. Okay, Shiba Inu. Sadly, I took my profits. Obviously, I'm glad I took my profits with SHIB, but I'm planning on buying back in for this next upcoming bull market, right? So I'm gonna have some Shiba Inu. Avalanche, I sold. Okay, okay. I don't think I'm gonna be buying back in, even though yes, I believe there's gonna be an opportunity for Avalanche, but I sold for Bitcoin. Okay, I feel like majority of these altcoins that I've been selling, like taking profits, I've just been putting it back into Bitcoin, right, or Ethereum, mainly Bitcoin though. Sui, I don't have any, unfortunately. I wish I would have bought some like a month ago because right now it's at a new all-time high. Who knows how much higher Sui can go? Like, who realistically really knows, right? Pepe, okay. I still have some Pepe. Okay, I'm simply trading into Pepe. Chainlink, you guys know I'm a huge fan of Chainlink, so I still have a fair amount of Chainlink. Okay, Polkadot, I still have some. We know Polkadot has not really been moving, so I'm still holding Polkadot. There's no point of me selling it right now. Okay, and obviously if Polkadot does gain back some momentum, I will plan to take my profits with Polkadot, right? Like obviously I'm going to be taking majority of my profits with altcoins, right? As you should. Litecoin, okay, I still have a bag of Litecoin. Unfortunately, Litecoin has not been really moving, right? We know that. Uniswap, I still have some. And yeah, Uniswap has been, I don't know, hasn't really been moving too well, right? Dog with fat, I don't have any. I'm planning on Casper. I still, okay, I talked about Casper before, and I told you guys that I am simply, holding some Casper. I'm not putting too much money into it, but I am investing a fair bit into Casper and just simply riding it for the long run, right? I'm simply just buying it and hodl, right? That's pretty much it. So that's that. But yeah, that's pretty much all my altcoins. Pretty much. I still have some Polygon, sadly. Okay, even though yeah, Polygon has not really been moving, but guys, my plan is to really get into meme coins, right? I want to trade some meme coins. I want to hunt some meme coins. I've been doing my research. Okay, I still have a bag of Dogecoin and Pepe. I'm trading Pepe right now, but I want to get into more meme coins like Floki, Peanut. Okay, Peanut the squirrel, Popcat even, right? Did I mention Dog with Fat? If I didn't, yes, Dog with Hat, and of course Shiba Inu, right? I want to get back into sheep, okay, because I really do believe Shiba Inu will perform very well, in this next upcoming bull cycle, right? The top two, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, right? The biggest altcoins out there. Yes, I truly do believe that these altcoins will perform pretty well. These meme coins, sorry, will perform pretty well, in this bull cycle. Same with Pepe, as I told you guys, right? What Dogecoin did back in 2021, I feel like Pepe is going to be doing that for this cycle, right? This bull cycle, okay, for 2025, okay? And yeah, Pepe yesterday, we saw it pumping. And obviously the reason why we saw Pepe pumping yesterday is because a lot of crypto exchanges out there like Robinhood, Coinbase is also another one. They did finally list Pepe into their exchanges. So obviously you can trade Pepe on those exchanges, and that's why yesterday we saw Pepe absolutely skyrocketing, almost like 100% in a day, which is insane, right? And yeah, look at this, right? Pepe is up like 100%. for the week, just the week, which is insane, guys. Pepe has been performing very, very well. Okay, and look at this. Look at Peanut the Scroll, over 2,000% for the week. Insane. I remember looking at this like 2 days ago. It was up like 400% in a single day, which is insane, right? Okay, so why do you think she will be the top gainer? Well, I really do believe, okay, for example, like Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin has survived 3 cycles, guys. Just think about that, right? Dogecoin is a meme coin. Okay, it was created as a joke back, I believe, 2013. Okay, as a joke, right? And now look at it. It's at number 6. It's the 6th largest meme coin out there, and it has survived 3 cycles. It is still here. It is still standing. Just think about that for a second. A meme coin, Dogecoin, right? And obviously Elon Musk, okay, is making history right now, okay, with Dogecoin, right? We know that, guys. Okay, he's making history with Doge. He's doing amazing things with Dogecoin. You know, if we really think about it, Dogecoin is no longer a meme coin. Okay, it really, really doesn't, because it has some type of utility. Okay, and Shiba Inu, it has survived many cycles as well. It is still staying. Look at it. It's at number 11. Okay, many people out there, we are in fact seeing a lot of burns happening for Shiba Inu, which means the price will eventually rise. And we know, guys, okay, last cycle, right, look at how much Shiba Inu pumped. Okay, and I really do believe easily this bull cycle, we will see SHIB reaching back up to its previous highs, even reaching a new all-time high. Okay, Shiba Inu has survived many cycles. It is still standing with Dogecoin. It is still the 2nd largest meme coin out there, market cap wise. Okay, so I really do believe this cycle, okay, since everything's going to be pumping, Bitcoin, Ethereum, right, and many more altcoins out there, why wouldn't Dogecoin pump? Why wouldn't Shiba Inu pump, right? So understand, okay, there are a lot of burns happening right now for SHIB. So understand, okay, I do believe Shiba Inu will perform very, very well this bull cycle. So keep your eye on Shiba Inu, especially Pepe, right? A lot of these, you know, meme coins, you just got to really do your own research, guys, right? Just do your own research, okay? Find what meme coin you guys want to really like look into. For me, I'm really looking into like Solana meme coins, right? Because I really do believe those will perform very, very well. We know in general, right, Solana, this bull cycle will absolutely skyrocket. It's already skyrocketing. Like Solana right now is, you know, about to reach back up to its previous highs. Like, look at it, right? It's about to reach back up to its previous highs, even, you know, reach a new all-time high, right? You guys can just clearly see that. So understand, okay, look for Solana meme coins. That's what I highly suggest you guys do if you want to like look into trading into meme coins, right? So that is that. That's just my personal opinion, by the way. But I do see huge potential for SHIB, Doge, and whatnot. So that is that, guys. Okay. But meme coins for the past like week has been performing very, very well. You guys can clearly see that, right? A lot of memes are just in the greens. Look at this. Pretty much all of them are in the greens. Okay. We're not seeing a lot of reds. Majority of them are in fact in the greens, guys. So meme season is starting, seems like, right? It is starting. So get excited. And that's why there's a lot of hype with meme coins. That's why a lot of people right now are in fact making trades with meme coins. And obviously the people out there that, you know, did in fact make trades for the past few days, past few weeks, obviously they will be up in profit, right? So that is that. Okay. And a lot of young people out there that are in fact getting into crypto, not to invest into Bitcoin or Ethereum, okay, because they want to become, you know, millionaires overnight. So they're looking into meme coins, okay, and honestly, I don't blame them. But you got to be, you know, very, very cautious and careful and understand what you're doing, when to take profits, okay, when to get out, okay, stuff like that, right? Don't be too greedy, guys, because understand these meme coins, yes, they can move, they can pump like crazy in a single day, right? But understand when we see these meme coins pumping, they will eventually fall back down to the downside. Okay, they will have a massive correction back down to the downside. Usually, okay, that's what usually happens, right, with meme coins. When we see them pumping like crazy, eventually they will fall back down and having a correction back down to the downside, right? They got to breathe a bit, okay? They're not going to like shoot up straight up, right? So that is that. But guys, I'm going to go ahead and end today's stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will keep you guys updated on what's going to happen with Bitcoin and, of course, the entire crypto market. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Like I told you guys, okay, stay tuned. I will be filming a video tomorrow. Most likely, yes, it's going to be tomorrow or tonight. Who knows? I'll figure it out. But make sure you guys, stay tuned for that because I will be doing something with XRP. Since XRP is pumping right now, you guys clearly see that, right? I'm going to be doing something with XRP, so stay tuned and you guys will find out what exactly I will be doing. So stay tuned for that. If you guys haven't seen my video that I uploaded about 2 hours ago, please check it out. I really would appreciate that. But on that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen with the crypto market. But trust me, from now on, okay, we know, guys, we are in fact in the bull cycle. Everything right now is gonna skyrocket from here on. Okay, so understand, okay, this is the time to buy, to prepare yourselves for this bull cycle, because trust me, it's going to go much higher. Bitcoin is not even at 100k yet. It will be, right? Bitcoin's going to be at 120, 130, 150, 180, 200k and beyond, even 300k and beyond, right? So we still have time right now to buy. Okay, you really do, but understand, not a lot of time. Time is ticking. So on that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already. That is always appreciated. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.